Welcome to Gariautocare. I'm Tim Wire. Right now I have Suzuki Swift. This vehicle has a problem with ignition slide. When you press this ignition switch, push to start, it doesn't go off, meaning there's a problem with ignition, either power or earth. So look, this is the original key. Nothing, it doesn't go off, it's on constant. So I want to open down there to see, but my first suspect is alarm. This is the alarm I'm talking about. This is the first suspect. So let me find the alarm relay. This is the original alarm relay. See. But when I follow those wire of alarm, it goes to fuel pump. So I don't think this is the main culprit. So I'm doubting about that. According to this behavior, I suspect two things: poor ground or poor power. So to identify or to figure out the main issue, I'm going to use the OPD2 port. I'm going to short circuit pin 4 and pin 5 like this. Let me show you. This is how I handle this type of behavior. After short circuit like that, you go back to ignition to see if it's going to perform the way it's supposed to be. See, everything's working the way it's supposed to be. The push to start switch is working perfect, meaning there is a problem with ground. So I had to go through where the earth are being mounted in this vehicle, and I find out the main problem. Where is it? The main problem was on the engine. We have behind here, we have earth wire. Look, it was loose. That was the main culprit. After I have tightened the earth, I had to replace everything back the way it was before. So that's the main problem. Everything's working perfectly. Let me start the vehicle. So everything is working the way it's supposed to be. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.